So keep that vibe. Drop a sign down.
You alright there, ladies and gents, how's it going? Welcome back to another one of my Sunny Bear adventures. We're getting close to the end now. And this letter is A for art. It's not just any old art either. We've got to go and find ourselves some street art. Now, this isn't a pre-planned journey. I do know of one bit of street art, which is where I'm sort of heading to. So that's sort of where we're going. But I don't know about the other two bits. We have to have 3 bits for this challenge to be a win. Ooh, I do love this road. So this first bit of street art I'm heading to, that's down in Brighton, down along the marina, along Madeira Drive. And it's kind of quite artistic, I think, in a graffiti sort of sense. So that one definitely gets allowed in. So when I get down there, I want to get my drone up, because one of the things we have to do is show you where on Google Earth these things are, if possible, that is, anyway. So I'm going to try some magic. It might not work, but it might. Nothing like experimentation, eh? That's what she said. So we're back in Brighton. It's a bit busier today, and the artwork is over that way. So that's where we're heading. We might get some food on the way back, because I'm a bit hungry. It's weird to imagine that they were doing drag racing down here just a few weeks ago. Now, I've been down here before. When I first got this bike, actually, I took a photograph just over here. So although it's not the greatest of street art in the world, at least it's kind of colourful and well thought out. So we got a bit of street art. That's one out of 3. Got to find another 2. Okay, so now the dilemma comes. I've got to find another 2 bits. I did have a mega plan. I was going to be all clever and stuff. Apparently Sisbury Ring, there was some street art found there, and it was from the Neolithic ages. It was of some deer, and I thought that would be really cool. But I'm not sure where it is, because I don't think it's actually at Sisbury Ring anymore. I think it's been moved. But I didn't want to put all my eggs in one basket and go and find that. Yeah, so I gave up on that idea. Maybe I'll explore it in one of my motovlogging history motovlogs. Alright then, with the third of my task achieved, I'm feeling kind of hungry, so I'm going to go and get myself some nosh. Let's go get some noms. Right, belly full. Let's go get this show on the road. Find another 2 street art things around somewhere. No idea where. Explore time! To be honest, if I come down at the right time in the evening, I imagine Brighton's the perfect place to find some street art. But I think that's a different letter. And then we have the age-old question of what actually is art? If you can't define art, how can you define street art? Ponders. Let's try and think outside the box, shall we? So to me, art is an intentional act. It's something man-made, designed to cause a reaction, cause an emotion, whether that be joy or anger. Maybe it's incredibly shallow. Maybe it's just a beautiful woman. Say just. But art, it should stir your soul, just like the sea does for me. can be architecture. It surrounds us, yet we seldom appreciate it for what it actually is. The buildings around us are just incredibly beautiful. I mean, most of them, not all of them. And we just don't appreciate it. And it's on the street, so I guess that's kind of street art. Admittedly, on the coastline you're bound to find slightly better architecture than you are in the middle of a big city, because it's designed to be spectacular, to create awesome views, and you'd not want to shake a stick at this view, would you? So that's my second piece of art, that is street art. It is the architecture that surrounds us on every single road that we travel, both old and new. It all has its own beauty, and it all stirs an emotion, and it's all man-made and designed. So in my opinion, that is art. Right then, ladies and gents, we are back. Yes, my battery ran out, so yeah, I'm actually here now at where my final location is. To some of you it might not look like much of a location, but this thing here, oh, I can't see it because of the sun. Let's come at it from the other way. Right, yes, now we haven't got the sun in our face. This thing here was designed by some incredibly famous architect. I've no idea who he is, but it's all in iron that's gone rusty. And yeah, I don't understand it. Let's get around the other side of it and have a look. Let's go explore. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm sure the arty amongst you probably find this really pretty. That's if there are many arty amongst us on my YouTube channel. But to me, it just looks like a shit building. Really quite underwhelmed. There's not even some shitty graffiti tag anywhere around here for me to go, yeah, this is my third piece. I have no idea what it's supposed to look like, mean or whatever. No idea whatsoever. Not my cup of tea. I find the driftwood more artistic. Oh well, that's my number 3, whatever it is. It looks shit. Let's get out of here. Let's get an ice cream, because that was rubbish. And ice creams are not. Well, I thought, being at an amusement arcade with rides and stuff, there'd be loads of people around here, so I could do my Sunny Bear chant. But there's no one here, hardly at all anyone. But anyway, Sunny Bear, 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 Sunny Bear. Alright, let's go find that ice cream. I feel that was a particular fail, one of my worst ones yet. At least when you're out in the middle of a field, you expect to see no one but sheep. But here, well, I had hoped there'd be loads of people to point at me and go, you're a knob. They sell ice creams, let's go say hello to them.
Keep that bar. Rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bar. Rubber side down.